Hi, I'm Miranda, and today I will show you the customized design of the GMT pallet. We divided the GMT pallets customized design into 3 sections. First, GMT pallet size customization. Like this, the thickness and the size of the 2 pallets are different. We can customize the design of the pallet to your requirements. And second, GMT pallets glass fiber ratio customization. The hardness of the GMT pallets depends on the glass fiber ratio. So, of course, we can customize the glass fiber ratio between 20 to 19%. Third, GMT pallet logo customization. We can print the logo on the surface on the pallet, or anywhere you want. If you have any logo requirement, please feel free to contact us. Generally speaking, you can send us your requirements and we can customize it according to your requirements. So if you want to customize the GMT pallet, follow us for additional news. Bye bye.